Number 22. Use the table to find the value of f of -4. Alright, so we have a table and we have 6 values. And so it looks like we're going to need to do some sort of regression. So since we have 6 values, we know that we can use the maximum amount on our regression. So if we go to our calculator, you go to menu, 6-1. So we see we have linear regression, quadratic regression, cubic, and all the way up to quartic. And in general, the rule is for an nth degree polynomial, you need n plus 1 points in order to complete a regression. So for a quartic regression, you would need 5 points because a quartic is a 4th degree. So I'm going to use the quartic regression. And even if it's not quartic, it's okay, and I'll show you why later. So let's see. X's just go from -3 to 3. So -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3. And then the y list 286, 212, 38. 286, 212, 38. And anytime that you do something like this, you always want to make sure you take a second to look at what equation you're saving this to. So for example, I'm saving this to F1. So I click OK. And so now you can see the reason I did quartic. So as you can tell from this, it's actually going to be cubic because our x to the 4th coefficient is basically 0. It's times 10 to the minus 13. So it's essentially 0. But even though we had a cubic and we did quartic regression for it, it just gave us a value of 0 for the 4th degree term. So we're going to have something like x cubed plus 2x squared minus, x cubed minus 3x squared plus, what is going on? Oh, I'm sorry. X cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 2. Sorry, the regression coefficient was throwing me off for some reason. Anyway, so let's see what they're asking for. Now that we found the equation, let's see what they're asking for. F of -4. So, since we saw we saved it as f of 1, we can just type f1, and then just type it like you would normally do for a function. Just f1 of -4, and it comes out with -18, and that's answer choice B. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment, and I'll make a video with a solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.